How are we, everyone? Jason here, City Property Services, the deep cleaning company in Melbourne. Window cleaning. You can't be a millionaire by cleaning windows, but you can make a sustainable living out of window cleaning. Well, some 18, 19 years ago, we started City Property Services, making windows see-through. Let me show you our setup, our recent setup, latest and greatest, so you can get an idea of cleaning some windows safely without ladders and when you don't have tap water available. Let me show you our latest van, the window cleaning setup. Yes, that's our pressure washing setup. First of all, I always go with a reliable brand. I love Toyota, and Toyota highest when it comes to reliability, number one. Personally, I'm not a fan of any like Great Wall Motors, those kind of brands, but that's probably my personal preference. But idea is a reliable vehicle. So this is inside of my, it is a crew van. Just want to show you a little bit look and feel of it. So that's my front area, driving position, and then in the middle, even though my family can go, my friends can go, crew can go, all together 5 people including the driver. No, that's not the story. The story today, set up a van so you can clean windows safely without ladders, high reach windows without ladder, with a water fed pole system, pure water system, if you don't have water available. Well, I think 300 or 400 liter water tank attached to a water pump. This stay outside. I get the water from the tank to the pump, and from pump to the filter. From the filter, I have pure water attached to the little gorilla hose, and then you know the drill, the carbon fiber pole. I can clean up to 4 stories, or if I try hard, 5 stories. So this is the setup, guys. Let me turn on the, okay, here we go, the light. Sorry about my video quality nowadays. I have a broken phone, unfortunately. Until I fix, let me set up. So onto the base, the van came up with cargo tie down points, 4 points. So provision to the points, I asked my beautiful friend, always being helpful, Marga Holding, Susil, did this amazing work with three tracks, one side, and the middle another track, also have another track. So I can tie down everything. As you can see, my filter being tied down, and my pump being tied down, and then my water tank tied down, so you're not gonna bang everywhere when I drive, because I love my van. I don't want to see, I already have a scratch. I hate it. Already have a scratch. So when I travel, I don't want any knocks and things to the side walls. So, and also I don't like shelvings, because if I put a shelving, I have to set to certain things. So this way I have the space fully available for anything. So at this stage, it's a window cleaning rig. Really helpful, when you don't have water access, water tap, and then you have to clean water fed poles things, so you can't use ladders, climb ladders with scourge cleaning. You know, guys, in Australia it's getting harder and harder to use ladders. I can use it safely, but again, that's a question. Oops, sorry. I forgot what I was talking about. Sorry, the light went off. Yeah, so it is getting harder and harder for ladder usage. You almost can't use ladders in shopping centers. You have to use cherry picker. And something like this, cleaning windows, if you don't have water and you can't use ladders, this is a fantastic unit. You self-sustain, you have water, you have the water pump, so that way you don't need water. The van is mobile, you can pretty much go anywhere and clean windows. At the same setup, actually you can, occasionally I put on my utes, but the thing is, those equipments, they're really expensive. I already lost $4,500 water fed pole, carbon fiber pole already 2 poles already, so I'm not a big fan of keeping the window cleaning things outside. But if it has to, I do it, but I always supervise, keep an eye on my tools. Otherwise, inside the van, I think it's a pretty practical setup. If you're starting out, this is a good vehicle as well. You can use as a family vehicle, so you don't need to have a personal vehicle and a company vehicle. It's a beautiful vehicle. At the front, full family. At the back, business. I think you'll learn a little bit more. If you want more details, let me know. That's my setup. Okay, that's my setup. See Through Property Services. Until I see you, Jason, 0488 043 880, the king of deep cleaning. Woohoo! See ya.